皆さんこんにちは。My name is Yuki. I'm Japanese, and now I live in Japan. Do you know what this is? It's origami. Today, I would like to introduce origami and how to make this origami crane. Origami is one of the traditional Japanese culture of making animals, decorations, containers from a piece of paper. Using a piece of square paper, you can make various shapes just by folding, without cutting or pasting it. It is said that the culture of folding paper in Japan began around the 14th and 15th centuries, and it spread to the general public from around the Edo period. And in the Meiji era, origami was incorporated into education. Nowadays, you can easily buy origami with many patterns and enjoy it with just one sheet of paper. Many Japanese have touched origami once in kindergarten or elementary school. And I think that many people can fold origami even as adults. Today, I would like to introduce how to make the most famous origami art, orizuru. You can also make it on copy paper, so please try it. First, fold it in half to make a triangle. Fold it in half again. If you do them neatly, the finished product will be the best, so please fold it carefully. Open the fold and make it a square like this. Open the other side in the same way so that it becomes a square. It is like this. Next, make sure the open side is on the bottom. Fold it inward from both sides along the middle line. Turn it over and fold the other side inwards as well. Fold the upper triangle back around first to make a crease. This will make it easier to fold afterwards. Open the folded part inward. Open from bottom to top and fold inward along the crease. Fold the other side in the same way. It is a little difficult, so please take a closer look and imitate it. It is like this. Then, fold the lower half further inward toward the center. Fold the other side in the same way. It becomes very thin like this. Close it so that the part you just folded is inside. Then, like this, the upper part splits into two. This is the wing. The triangle in the center is the back, and the lower part is the head and hips. Fold it from both sides so that you can lift hip and head up. When you lift it, close it so that it is inside. It will be completed in a little while. Fold one of the closed and narrowed parts to make a clam beak. And finally, spread the wings on both sides and you are done. Done! Did you do well? Please try to make it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment. みんなも作ってみてね。